Okay, it's time now to open the top. What is important is that the brushes here, and here, and I hope that was if that was serviced already when they took it out and put it back, they didn't fuck up the brushes, were quite delicate. That is something we can see right now. So delicate, we have to bring it up. Here we go. And they are the springs. I think they're in perfect condition. So they're quite okay. So I'm going to leave that in this way. Here we go. So it looks like quite like the board, quite basically as the, maybe a few difference as the N2. But anyway, now the plate I have to take out is this one, and then I will have to put a screw. That is the plate. I have to take care of this wheel, so that's why I did marks with a black ink, black pen. So I have to take this one out, and then there's a little screw there inside was missing. A few hairs around here was not good. Here we go. That was, I thought was some lead, but in fact is the spring. So I'm going to take this one out and let's see what happens. I hope everything will be okay.